Are you ready to learn how to add your Direct Express card to Cash App in 2025? Let's dive into this quick and easy tutorial that will have you managing your finance in no time. Step 1. Open Cash App. First, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device. Open the app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is simple. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once you are logged in, look for the banking tab, typically represented by a bank icon in the bottom of the script. Tap on it to access your banking option. Step 3. Link your Direct Express card. In the banking section, find the option that says Add a bank or Link a card. Select this option and then choose Debit card. Enter your Direct Express card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any errors. Step 4. Confirm your card. After entering your card details, Cash App will prompt you to confirm the information. Review everything carefully and tap Confirm. You may receive a verification message or email. Follow any additional instruction provided. And there you have it. Your Direct Express card is now linked to Cash App, allowing you to send and receive money effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful,